guys, I'm in Vancouver because I take a test tomorrow. I'm staying in an Airbnb. That's really awesome, and so I wanted to show you. And then after that, we will go to the German Christmas market and eat German food in the rain. Woo! So this is the entrance of my Airbnb. I've already sat on the couch, as you can see. There's this huge kitchen that's super awesome. Fireplace, television, and then table. There's the bathroom, and then the bedroom. So yeah, this place is $80 a night, which is like half the price of any hotel in the Vancouver area. So yay, Airbnb. I have jacketed up, so let's go down to downtown Vancouver.
They just went off. They just couldn't.
So the German Christmas market was awesome. The continuous downpour I could have done without, but it has not stopped raining all day, so Vancouver. Yeah, ate some good food and lots of little stocking stuffer and Christmas gifts buying. So I would say 5 stars out of 5. I would do it again. I am now going to go dry off my shoes, get some dry clothes on, and prep a little for my test tomorrow morning. Bye guys!